Okay, this is the brood with 13, so the other one had 11. So she hasn't. And here comes the other one. So, well, maybe we'll have some crackers too. We got 2 broods. Here. See if you guys like this one. Oh, see, they don't like them. Yeah. Hey, now be nice. Now what are you gonna do? Who belongs to who? Okay, these are mine, I think. And those are mine, I think. Oh, this one coming back. Following the wrong brood. Nope. I guess maybe I belong to that one. One group likes crackers and the others does not. And here come. So we have 2 broods, one here and one over there. Okay, we're going to try cracker again, see what happens. You guys ready? You're the ones that like the cracker, huh? Okay. Well, the big ducks don't like the crackers, the parents. It's just the babies in this one brood.